So, hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. You open a document, click the Copilot button, and ask it to summarize or analyze the text, and it gives you a generic response that has nothing to do with your document. Copilot can only read documents that meet specific requirements. The file must be saved in OneDrive, the content must be accessible, and the app must have the correct permissions. When Copilot ignores your document, one of these requirements is missing. Let me show you how to fix it. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First thing first, we want to go and save the document to OneDrive. Copilot in Office apps can only reference documents that are stored in OneDrive, or you can also, as you see, add them from here by adding images or files. They're gonna go and take you all the way to basically a file, for example. They're gonna keep processing it. Then you should ask your question and hit enter as you see. Also make sure to check file permissions. If the file is shared with you, make sure you have at least view or edit permissions. Copilot cannot access files that you have only read permissions on. So contact the file owner to upgrade your permission. Then check the file type. Copilot supports Word documents. Talking about doc. They also support PowerPoint, Excel, PDFs, and all of this. But the file size must be very small. Then check for any disabled connected experiences. In this case, you have to go to File, Account Privacy, Manage Settings. Ensure experiences that analyze your content is totally on. Then close and reopen. That's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.